at some point we give up on things as good for China because we're not really sure how good we are.
Discover who you are, because you cannot win in everything. We must move from being a generalist and be a specialist.
There's a person you are, and then there's this person you would like to be. Two different things.
A winner is someone who's not jealous.
Yes.
Welcome to another episode of Kota to Media. Siphinde sibonge futhi ukuthi uchoose le channel. Sibonge nje ngama comment, sibonge ngama subscribers, sibonge ngakho konke. Kusase uyu umduduzi wakashabangu. Yasilethele futhi another episode, another motivation. Izinto nje zizokwakha zikusize. Na kanjani ungasashintshi. Into nje engayisho mina ukuthi hlala ngeke uzoyiqede le episode ungazange wazwasizakala. Kwi episode ya last episode 40 ngiyakhuluma ngabeka I reason ukuthi why ngithi ikota to media le channel. Mangabe ufuna ukuthola, because I've got two reasons. Mangabe ukuthi ufuna ukuthola ngithi awuvizithele yona, namhlanje ngizokupha reason S2 yokuthi why kuthiwa ikota to media. Isikota to media your reason S2 le. Isikota to media because abantu abaningi bathi mangabe mangabe usase young unokuba nama ideas okufuna ukuqala something, ufuna ukwenza something but ubulibele upostpone isikhathi size sihambe. Lo kuyakuthi sesihambile isikhathi mawusuthuthi yazi ngangifisa ukwenza into ethile bese uthi wena but sengimdala. Abantu abaningi badlule kuleyo situation leyo, athi umuntu mina sengimdala manje into ezithile ngeke ngisayenza, sengine family, nginomfazi, nginabantwana and stuff, so I know ngeke ngisakhona ukwenza izinto ezithile. So ikota to media izothi yes wena uthi sowumdala, meaning wena uthi isikota to, but uma ngabe kuukuthi usaphila, i-aim yekota to media is to motivate ukuthi uma ngabe kuukuthi usaphila ungathi mina sengimdala, because uma ngabe ukuthi usaphila it means usasene opportunity. uNkulunkulu usakuphila ithuba, it's not over, you can still do something. That's why sibiza ekota to media ukuthi even nalaba bathi hayi manje ngathi sekukota to mina ngeke ngisakhona ukuyenza do lento lokumele ngabe yayenza, is not over until kube uNkulunkulu othi manje seku over. Kanti ke futhi ngisesekuleyo part leyo nje ngifuna wazi ukuthi abantu abaningi ba give up sekukota to bawine. La sekumele khona bawine khona ba give up ngama reasons amaningi, even eminye yemshado eyintweni eziningi ekumele zingabe ziba impumelelo for future, abantu bano give up sekusele kancane bawine. So thina sothi yes it's quarter to, but it's not over because usayizwa le voice and usasekhona and khona lento ongayenza. And nje ngiphinde ngithi futhi mina ngoba singabantu sinama dreams, ngizothi mina don't die with your dreams, die empty. And futhi okumele ukwazi ukuthi die with memories. Angedwa, as I always say, nginama guest enginawo, nginabafowethu enginabo, ngiphethe uFather Mindlo, ngiphethe uZola, ke siqale ke sibabulisa nje ke sibe khona before singene kwi topic namhlanje. Bengisathi nje ngifuna ukuthi wazi why kuthiwa ikota to media. Yeah, there are reasons. Siqale ngakuwe Mzoli.
Sibonga ithuba lokuthi
sure
siphinde futhi sikhulume nani lapho emakhaya. Ngiyanibona nidlulile kuGodi, nimhle kahle uGodi. Angikhona ngeke nibuze ukuthi ninje and right. Ngiyanibona nginibhekele nje ukuthi ni right.
Yeah.
Ngiyangikhumbula igama uZola Sineke. Ngiyabulela ukuhlangana nani futhi.
Yeah, thank you ukuthi ube khona. Yeah, as usual. Sabonga. Father Mindlo.
Yeah, sanibonani. Mandla Shabangu lona aka Father Mindlo.
Yeah,
I'm greeting everyone from all these four corners of this atmospheric globosity.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, igama lika Father Mindlo ke nje nginizwe emakhaya. Mari please ningambizi ngale gama nihlangana naye. Simbiza manje the great Khali.
The great Khali.
The great Khali.
Yo.
Yeah, sizovota ke between these two words. Sino Father Mindlo, then sino Great Khali.
Yeah, nimthanda ngeli gama.
Yeah, nizozwa ngamavoteni. Yeah.
Ukuthi kanjani
Lapha kuma comments nje.
Yeah, votani.
Ungabuka ufuna ukukhuluma ngani kule episode. Ube sawusho ukuthi kodwa Father Mindlo mina ngimthanda ngo the great Khali or Father Mindlo. Eliwinayo siyosebenzisa lona.
Sawusebenzisa lona.
Yeah. Ezoba kanjalo.
Yeah.
Ngithatha nale part oyisho nje ukuthi abantu I'm sure babuye kahle ku good baphila abantu khona legama leli lithi Santa yini Santa ne
Yeah, Santa.
What is yini lento le Santa yamsana nani because good Friday ngathi ihambe ihlangane nabo Santa or Christmas
Ngathi Christmas le.
or le related ne Christmas
Santa.
Yeah, because usakhumbula ukuthi nakhuluma ngoFather Christmas wayeno this time wayenokuhamba ehand over ama gift kuma families beku Santa something. But something ngiyakhumbula Santa something. Yeah.
I was so lost. What Santa I was thinking about South African National Tuberculosis Association.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nami anginasho that's why ngibuza ukuthi njengahlana na somebody ngangafunda everything because it was too long but nje bebhalile ukuthi Santa kahle I meaning yakhona
Okay.
mawususu n ayithi yabona kuno n lapha Santa ususu n
Satan
umfake egcineni
or Satan.
Somebody said
Satan.
Yes wathi kahle originator lapho then base beyitwist abathathu n bamfaka ngapha but yinkulumo nje bengicabanga ukuthi is related no Good Friday. That's why ngoba I-article yakho ihambisana futhi namabhani yazi maku Good Friday khona lama chocolate la
Ama Easter egg and stuff.
yonke lo part leyo but anyway everything a great everything like ewinayo noma esiwinile most of the time inokuba by associate na something evil. Ngizokwenza nje example. Uma ungabheka ne utata the late Nelson Mandela. Before before nje Robben Island. That guy was great.
Yeah.
Robben Island period yonke leyo 27 years. Great. After ke sephumile ke ku Robben Island kula sekuthiwa khona wasithengisa. He sold us out. Of which leyo is a topic for another day. But ngifuna ukuthi ngithi anything good ngaba umuntu oyi1 oyenzile but ihlezi inokuba khona this thing evil okufanele si associate nayo. Hence today sizokhuluma nge-subject ethi you are a winner. Shuthi uma ngabe ukuthi you are a winner, be ready futhi ukuthi at the same time uma ngabe ukuthi kuleyo journey or maybe so already so fikile kuyona, you will always be associated with something evil. Uke wathola abantu most abantu esibaziyo nje aba famous and successful abanye babo kuthiwa phela loyo Illuminati, that's why.
I think the bad guys, I would say that.
Yeah.
Obvious, if there's bad, they are bad guys, obvious. I think abantu abapusha bad things. Bayayazi limelight where it is. Ukuthi limelight will never ever be in a bad space. Will always be in a good and a brighter space. Now, bahlakaniphe ngani? Uma bebona this good thing iriser. Obvious bayazi ukuthi abantu ba interested into enjalo kakhulu.
Ne.
Because bona baya campaign for all their bad izinto zabo ezibad. They would like ukuthi bathathe the same spotlight salento enhle enzakalayo by associated nento yabo.
Oh yeah.
I think there are people pushing all these agendas. As much as you say, Uti, it's not this topic today, Uti, there's this thing, Uti, we are, if you are a winner, you are we're on this journey and you are a winner, there'll always be someone telling you that you are a soul failure. You will never ever reach that way corner. You are a loser. Why do you even try to go this route? Because usuke sekabonile ukuthi la uya khona kunale brightness yokuthi uzophumelela. So I problem manje enokuba khona ukuthi ulalele lawo bantu labo. But at some point we give up on things as good for Tina because we're not really sure ukuthi how good we are. We're not really sure ukuthi we are already winners.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even before you start the journey, you are a winner. If you can tell yourself that, even something even before I start this thing, I am already a winner. Have that mind of a winner. Have that talk of a winner. Have that attitude of a winner.
Yeah.
Have that walk of a winner.
Yeah.
Have that eye of a winner. Have that ear of a winner. Pray to have that wisdom of a winner. I think nothing can stop you because you are already a winner.
Yes. Yeah, nami ngathanda ukuthi nje add on top of what you are saying. Kahle somebody who is a winner is somebody ocabanga ukuthi he can win. So kahle nje wangiusho ukuthi lento is starta from your mind. It's a mindset. If you think that you will win, you become a winner as well. But ke ngizofisa ukuthi nami ngi-emphasize this point ukuthi you are a winner. Of course you are a winner. Last time sike sakhuluma ngokuthi are you aware ukuthi during abazali bethu mangabe besiprepare usize emhlabeni benza leyo nkonzo yasekamereni ukuthi phela si welcome ubantu abekhona elifeini.
Yes.
See kuna about millions and millions of spams. Efayithela ukuthi azina kube yimi ngifuna ukubreaka leli qanda lelana. So that spam esifike si break lelo qanda lelo then isona esisuke siwinile that day. So kahle from the day when uba developed as a fetus waba umntwana it shows ukuthi wawina from that day. So you are a winner. Ayibona leyo nto le. So ibhenga leyo ndlela ukuthi wawina the first battle wawina ngaleso sikhathi leso. So yini into ekwenza manje ucabanga ukuthi uyiloser if wawina such a big battle. Njengoba ngisho ngithi millions and millions of spams fighting ukuthi yazini ngifuna kuba yimi impregnanta. Yabona. But kube uwe the chosen one. Kube uwe the strongest one.
Out of millions.
You are a winner, boss. You are a winner. So if we go to bungekho sure ukuthi ubani, know from today that you are a winner. It's just that maybe you need to confirm leyo nto uzazi ukuthi you are a winner. But anyway, omunye umuntu ngiyazi abanye bazozibuza bafethu ukuthi okay, if ukuthi ngiwina, how do I describe a winner? Well, abantu abaningi describe in many ways. Yeah, but mina ngafisa ukuthi ngi describe in this sense ne.
Okay.
A winner kahle is somebody or who knows that how much he still has to learn, although he is considered an expert by others. Should he, while Tina consider as an expert, but when you know what as in, I've got a lot to learn. It's a lot to learn. So you become a winner, because it shows good our relaxanga. Agnas is cut loud when I've arrived. Because in most cases, abanye abantu banokuthi mhlambe ngama praises, a few praises, bese oh I mean I've arrived, I'm a star. Ebona leyo nto le. Because by so doing, now we are relaxed. Not knowing ukuthi kunabantu ocompete nabo. Abafunayo uthatha your position as well. Yeah. So by the time when you relaxile bona baya trainer, they are training every day. Very hard. You could know they want to surpass you. For instance, ngizoyenza an example, there is this world champion Floyd Mayweather.
Yeah.
Floyd Mayweather. Like ngingayithanda i-attitude yakhe, the winning attitude yakhe ne. Uma ngabe ichaza uthi no mina into engenza ukuthi ngiwine and ihleze ngiyiwina in most cases. Ngina this insatiable appetite to win. Kanjani na even after battle, after fight. Omunye umuntu bengathi after fight ayido yazi today you celebrator, you shayela 2 beers, you shayela 6 beers. Not that guy.
Angishaya ibhodlela
uyayibona.
Yeah.
Yena mangabe eceda ewine ifight uFloyd ubuyela back kwi training. Just imagine. Khuluma ngomuntu owine ifight guys. A champion. Uthi no indlela celebrate ngayo yena ukubuyela back training and that train as if uyiluzile ifight. That is an attitude and it's a mindset of a winner. Somebody who wants to continually winning and ehleli leyo position of being a winner.
Yeah. Ngiyayithola. Shuthi I winner kufanele at the same time ube umuntu odiscipline.
Yes.
Ngiyabuzwa seyihamba ne discipline.
Yeah.
Ake ngithanda ukuthi ngizwa kahle ama point akhonka powerful and valid. Ngithanda ukuthi ngiyibuyise la phansi. Yeah, kwi lower grade. Sangenzela nje umuntu ke mina ngidawe ngizoyibeka ngakhona. Ngenzela umuntu osekhaya obukele right now.
Yes.
Ukuthi nakho kufanele ukwazi ukuthi you are a winner. Okokuqala nje lokho okufanele ukwazi ukuthi wena you are a winner. Uzalwa nje la emhlabeni because you are a winner. Ula emhlabeni because khona i-message oyiphethe. Even if access i-message ngokomlomo but i-message nge-action but there is something onayo oyiphathisiwe okumele uzoyideliver la emhlabeni uthi mawusu uhambe sewuyidelivile. For that fact it means you are a winner. I don't think futhi angeke ngize ngikubelieve even omunye umuntu angaqhamuka athi kunabantu bazalelwe ukuthi laba nje they will be failures. Cabanga uzalo nje emhlabeni kuthiwa wena hamba emhlabeni and be a failure. Wonke umuntu ola emhlabeni onalo mzimba lo okhulumayo whether omunye umuntu akakwazi ukukhuluma but as long as ela emhlabeni enemzimba uyiwina. The only thing ngathi thina abantu ukuthi sithi singamawina singakwamkile ukuthi singamawina. Yabona nje khona manje ukhuluma amazwi very powerful. Ushuthi manje uyayiletha ngendaba ye discipline yonke lento le but omunye umuntu angayamkeli lento le iseyibekiwe. Sho njengoba nje sisho sithi you are a winner at the same time futhi sizothi ibelieve lento esiyishoyo. Because uma ngabe ukuthi awuyibelieve then ke uyothi uyiwina kodwa utholakale ube yifailure. Not because you were destined to be a failure. Uyiwina kodwa ngoba you didn't believe ukuthi you are a winner uzithole sewufailile lifeini.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And njoba usibe futhi kanjalo bafethu really we are the winners. You are the winner. Ungazi ungayidoubt. You must reclaim that. That's your position in life. It's your status. You are a winner. But angifuna ukuthi because kuba sengathi in most cases masikhuluma kuba sengathi we are just maybe ngiyangithanda ukuthi abantu sibanikeze some kind of a recipe as well ukuthi umuntu uma ngabe ethi no mina ngifuna ngiyiwina. Yes, I know ukuthi ngiyiwina but I want to know ukuthi ngiyiwina makwenze njani. Uyayibona into njengaleyo. How do you do that? Uyabona?
How do I win?
Uyayibona leyo nto le. Mina I can say if you can develop these qualities awekho maningi for mina. I say if you can develop these qualities you can be a winner.
Okay.
For equality yokuqala engithi enga encourage ukuthi we develop is to discover yourself first, ne? Yes. Discover ukuthi ubani. Last time siyakhuluma ngepurpose ukuthi what is your purpose. Discover who you are because you cannot win in everything. We must move from being a generalist and be a specialist. So they go win in everything. Floyd Mayweather is a winner with boxing.
Oh yeah.
But when it comes to his soccer, he will fail dismally because access his speciality. He's a boxer. So you will win the area of your gifting. Like gifted corn. So the first thing is to understand who you are, understand your talents. These are my talents, and develop those talents.
Yeah.
If you can able to do that, then first step number one leso sokuthi manje yazini I'm a winner, because we discover who I am, what is my purpose, what is my talent, what is my skill. Exactly. Now you have to develop those skills and talents. The second step engasho ukuthi mina uma ngabe usuyidiscoverile wena ukuthi ubani, love what you are. Love what you are, love what you do, and do what you love. When it ezisho kanjalo ithi love what you do and do what you love. Because usuyidiscoverile ke ukuthi mina ngi-soccer star or ngi-player, ngi-soccer player. But awuyithandi this, awuyithandi even the concept of the soccer. The soccer awuyithandi nje. Uyabona? So uzodevelop kanjani, uyoba istar kanjani, uzoba ntsompo kanjani in area of which awuyithandi or mhlawumbe noma uyenzile ifavor. Love what you do and do what you love. And uyabona uma ngabe uyithanda into oyenzayo, leyo nto leyo ungayenza from ilanga liphuma lizi loshona, because like it's something lena inspirayo, it's something uma uyenza I feel like you are working very hard. Uyenza because like it's you, it's who you are. It's who iwuwe leyo nto le. So love what you do and do what you love.
Okay.
Then leyo nto ungayenza only if you know ukuthi okay, this is my passion, this is my calling in life. Then esinye step engicabanga ukuthi futhi once usukwenza lokho, abanye abantu banokuthi hayi in life you must work smart, ne?
Okay.
You mustn't work hard but work smart. No. You're right but you're wrong at the same time. You must work hard and smart, ne? Yeah, if you look at lento isebenza kanjani, work hard and smart at the same time.
Yeah.
Because you have to put in what you have to put in. Okuqala if mhlambe umgijimi mhlambe kumele uvuke ekseni uyotrainer in order ukuthi win ama marathons, in order ukuthi win ama 100 meters, 200 meters, you have to go uyoyitrainer leyo nto leyo. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo, you are working hard. You are working hard kuleyo lento lena guys, igift yakho sanikiwe yona but you still have to work hard kuyo, because akusona wedwa onikezwe ukuthi ube sportsman. Maningi amanye ama runners now I train as well. So when you also relax with all, I know this is my talent, you are not the only one. You must still work hard because you are competing nabanye abantu abaningi out there who are competing for number one spot. You must work hard. Then you working smart is now to develop ama concept or ama strategies ukuthi psychological ukuthi okay nangabe ngi approach this thing is approach from this angle, because abantu abaningi bafethu sikhawathwa into eyi-1, sino what but asinayo how. Yabona what you can say I want to be a millionaire. That is what. How? Then yabona manje mase sifika kule area ka how. It's when now you are working smart. Now because you have to think again manje, how am I going to achieve that goal? So guys, you must uyidiscoverile ukuthi wena ubani, where discover your talent, where discover into oyithandayo. You must work hard and work smart.
Into engayisho mina ukuzidiscover, I think sinokwenza a mistake somewhere. There are things othanda ukuzenza kunezinto okwazi kunento okwazi ukuyenza kunento
Yeah, yeah.
othanda wena.
Okay.
There are people who we are, there are people who would like to be. Two different things.
Yeah.
There's a person you are, and then there's this person you would like to be. Two different things. You need to differentiate into those two. Obviously, the person you would like to be, it's not what you. That's not your gift.
Yeah.
It's just in your head. It's not you. It will never work for you.
Okay.
You want to be that. You want to be that. You are not that. Sihlukanise kahle lapha.
Yeah.
Yazi kunento othi mawuyenza nje. Uma uyenza yazi unaware. You're not performing. You're not doing anything but yes wena mara yazi wena yazi bawenza lento man. You've done this a priori somewhere uvakashile. But yes. Kodwa man yazi. The next month masina lomhlangano ubuye futhi man yazi makukhona wena kuba mnandi la. Waphinda wayenza springs leyo nto.
Yeah.
Ku relative yakho yazi kwakusemncwabeni kodwa the way abantu bachaze kangakhona bawenza the same le into ecishe lento oyenzile. Awusaboni wena ukuthi lento it's in you, it's in your genes because the gift yakho I believe it's in your genes.
Yeah.
The gift yakho you don't get ready to perform ukuze uyenze, you just do it. Even unaware.
Yeah.
That's the sign. That's who you are. Yabona from today. Uzukubheka into mawuyenza. Yazi uthinta inhliziyo zabantu. Yabona if you can do into uthinte inhliziyo zabantu. Not intentional, ungekho aware wena. Angithi lento uzoyipractice mina ukuthi mayifika la ngifuna ubahlekisa ngale joke. Mayifika la kodwa wayepheka kanjani uMace leso sopholo yakhe. Nami Mace wawupheke nani konje wawufake nani upheke nawe upheka mnandi yazi no it's because we copyile kuMace leyo
Yeah.
it's because that joke leyo icremile vele bazohleka because nawe lawo izwe khona ihlekisa
Yeah.
and we say enough ukuthi bangahleka it's not you ngisho lento mina oyenza unaware but ithinta abantu ngendlela emangalisayo that's you.
Yeah.
You need to be careful on that one. Why ngisho kanjalo? There's a guy. Siyathanda ukuthi sibe practical masikhuluma ngezinto ukuthi where do we come from when we talk about this? There's a guy besilana ibhola. Beko Rich Kibo besidlala eclubini sonke. Uyazi he was number 1. Wayithanda ibhola that boy. Waye number 1 ukufika. He had the smartest cocks. Ama cocks are smart egcoka neat. Uyazi makagqokile nokuma perfumes yadlala uclean ngambona nje ukuthi ufika early every day this guy. He was the first to come and the last to leave. He even had extra training sessions.
Yo. Okay.
He would always engage with coach, ask questions about certain things, about certain tactics.
Okay.
Azanga khona ukudlala ibhola that guy neskim kwakwenza umuntu asithola because ibhola wayengalazi welithanda.
Yeah.
It doesn't help you what dedicated into ukuba dedicated no ube focus entweni engekho kuwe. Ayizukusebenzela. It's not going to work for you.
Yeah.
That is why ngithanda uMandla mayithi discover. Yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo yenzeka masozi discoverele. I think leyo assignment ukuthi discover. Yazi kunabantu abana 70 years abakazi discover even today unfortunately. There are people at 50s abakazi discover.
Eish.
Some of abantu they were lucky enough to discover themselves even at 15 years, at 21 years. That is why uzwa kuthiwa the youngest joke is 14 years, the youngest joke is 16 years. Yeah? Kuthiwa a boy on 8 years. Sibone omunye la ku South Africa's Got Talent, that young boy obena 9 years, DJ. He even got a gig in America. That boy is discovered. He's lucky enough to discover himself at 9 years. He's at one of the toppest DJs in the world right now because
Yeah.
the boy was 9. La mina ngimesimbheka South Africa's Got Talent, that boy. Siyamazi sonke. So, i-example yami ukuthi abanye abantu are lucky enough to discover themselves earlier in life.
Yeah.
Unfortunately for us others. But abanye ba discover sekulate. It's possible.
Exactly.
That is why Shabangu athi quarter to. It's not over.
Yeah.
If it's quarter to, it doesn't mean it's over.
Yes.
It's quarter to, not yet.
Not yet.
You can still discover yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngiyithanda stories ka Corey Sanders Corey Sanders ke ulo omkhulu uma uthenga KFC lapha omkhulu lo entshebe lapha
Yeah.
discover very late wase try anything angayenza life yakhe that mkhulu
Yeah.
wase izame yonke into azama ukuba handyman azama ukuba mechanic azama ukuba painter azama ukuba yini until one day discover ukuthi hayi man yazini whenever ngipheka inyama yenkukhu yazi is the only thing abantu bathi
Yeah.
hey manje ukathi ay kodwa yazini uyayenza yonke into yenza mari yo yazi mawupheka what discover with no man I'm not a mechanic I'm not a painter I'm not a boxer I'm not whatever I'm not whatever I would like to be. I am a chicken cooker.
Yes.
It's in this discovery lapho ukuthi how chicken kuze bemnandi ngayipheka kanjani kuze ngiyenze ukuthi ngiprepare for business.
Yeah.
Wase discovered.
Hey.
Ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi there's no later stage ukuthi akuna ukuthi late manje ngikudiscover. Yabona mawuvuka yabona mawusaphefumula ekuseni each and every day in the morning mawuvuka it's another chance it's another day it's a new start.
Yeah.
Ama failures wayizola wathinta wanamhlanje. If izolo mawulalo fail in something do not carry it's not a flower. Do not carry your sorrows to the next day. Musukwenza lokho.
Ish.
Go with you know the reason why silala uNkulunkulu wayefuna sifunke ne fresh mind each and every day. Singa focus indabeni zayizolo, focus indabeni zanamhlanje. Singa focus indabeni zayizolo.
Yeah.
And be worried about you. Yabona mavuka be worried about today. Ukuthi wenzani today. Do not ngibona ngathi ku useless ukuba worried ngendaba za next week.
Yeah.
Really, because if you did well today and get good results today, obviously today will take care of tomorrow.
Exactly.
Tomorrow will take care of the day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
So why you stretch your mind, man? You're still worrying about 5 years to come. I'm thinking about 5 years. I'm thinking about 5 years. Uhleka ucabanga langa nje la today. Ukustructure, ube ne discipline, uziconstruct, ube ne focus today. Because if you master that today, it means the next 20 years you've already mastered that.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Kufanele ngibe ne note.
Yeah.
Wena nje la bekumele ngabe ngibhalile manje ama point. La point ngiyakhohlwa.
Yeah.
Kodwa wena angenile la ekhaya.
Angenile?
Yeah.
But as mina sesikhulumile sesi describeile sayi dissector sayi definer a winner ne
Yeah.
ukuthi wina makwenze njani uluza mase kwenze njani ne but ngine question enginayo kunabantu guys abawina in almost in everything they are the winners those are born winners.
Yes.
This guy angafike akudlalela ibhola abe star asuke kube ni star sebhola abe musician.
Yes.
Abe star.
Yes.
Okay.
Asuke manje kuma talent ayekitchen akuphekele kamnandi abe superstar ekitchen.
Yes.
Okay.
Asuke ekitchen aye in whatever he touches this person it becomes gold. He's a winner in everything. Lapho kwenzakala.
Yes.
Ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho. Uphendula. Ngiyaqala.
Uyazi ngithi bangibheka izinto eziningi. Lo mbuzo wakho ngithatha ungisabheka ukuthi uyabona nje mbasiphila nje. There's this book abantu abazathanda ukudismissa ukuthi ayikho it was written by whites to conquer black people blah 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 it's the Bible. I take that book as a manual of life.
Yeah. Iqiniso lelo.
I think if you can, it doesn't mean uyikholwa or uyini usindisiwe or ini. If umuntu nje uNkulunkulu wakunika umphefumulo ukuthi ukwazi ukulala uvuke, uphefumule mahala ungarenti indawo ungenze anything. I think you need just nje ukuread nje iBible, maybe it will open your mind. And yokuchange nokucabanga kwakho about all these people saying iBible in none. I think iBible is the book of life.
Yeah.
For an example, lento ishoyo, I think ikhona kuBible. Remember uJesu uma efika enikeza lawo bantu angisingumuntu ogood kangaka ngeBible.
Yeah.
But ngiyayifunda and ngiyubambe umongo westory. Noba ngeke ngikutshele ukuthi kusuka kweyipi verse na kweyipi verse. Kune stories ezinokungithinta ngiphile nazo. Njengalesi.
Yeah.
uJesu kunala uJesu awanikeza khona abantu ama talent. Omunye umnikezela i1. Omunye umnikeza i2. Omunye umnikeza i3. Omunye umnikeza 5.
Yeah.
Angizuya ukuthi benzani ngawo lo mathande because yaqhubeka ithi lo i1 wali multiply omunye wathini angizuqhubeka la kuyingilapho because uma sengibeke leyo nto leyo le example senginayo ukuthi it's possible ukuthi umuntu oyi1 uyakwazi ukuba more than one talent according to this book.
Okay.
Uyakwazi, it's possible. Akunanto mina it's amazing lapho. And kungenzeka ukuthi uhleli lapha ekhaya nawe you are one of abantu bafana eshoyo Mandla ukuthi uzithola wena una more than one talent. It's a blessing from God. It's possible. Awuhlani right. That is why mawucula bathi wow. That is why nokugijima bathi wow. That is why kwazi nokupheka kamnandi bathi wow. Awuhlani right. You are given those talents.
Yeah. Hayi. Ngiyayithanda lo mbuzo futhi ngiyathanda ngendlela nawo ophendula ngakhona ne. Yeah. Angiqale la. Angiqale la ekuthenini ngizokuphendula. Angiqale la ekuthenini masithi you are a winner. That doesn't mean ukuthi ngeke fail. Abantu abakwazi lokho. That doesn't mean ukuthi ngeke ufail. Life injalo nje. Eyintweni eziningi khona lapha esofaila khona sikwamukela ukuthi sizofaila somewhere. But ngeke ufaile every time. Ekugcineni uzowina. That's why I said you are a winner. Kufanele ukudlule nje kuma test la uzoke nje ufaile khona ke kutesteke nje strength sakho ukuthi singakanani. Yabo ukuthi that day usubambele yakho. Then uzokwazi ukuthi yaze ngibuya kude kabi. Le angisayidedeli. Coming back ngiyayithanda futhi nelokho ngana le illustration oyilande eBhayibhelini. Ngizophendula uMandla but angiqale kuleyo oyishilo. Njengoba nje bephiwa ama talent bonke. Yazi ukuthi baphiwa but lo one wathi yo mina ngine talent elilodwa. Yeah, eBhayibhelini kubhala ukuthi wasaba wathi eish ngeke ngikhona ukulisebenzisa. Yazi wagcina ezenjani walifihla. Azange azalisebenza. Because what lilodwa. Until kwaze kwabuya umaster wathi nenzeni kwatholakala ukuthi yena akazange azalisebenza. Waphuca kwanikezwa lo vele nama talent amaningi owasebenzile amultiplier kwaphinda kwanikezwa yena. So ngithi ngithandiswa yini le illustration oze ngayo ne ukuthi ukuphendula futhi umbuzo ukuthi ungaba nama talent abe maningi. But uma ngabe lama talent amaningi onawo uzothi mawasebenza uzi enricha wena alone are useless. If wonke lama talent lawa njengoba uyasebenza abanye abantu ababenefit ngawo then it means ama talent akho abevele kuwena abe selfish. Wenza right umunye wamupha 5 umunye wamupha 3-2-1 nami angisakhona kuyilandisisa kahle but wenza right because loyo owanikezwe lodwa let's say while sebenzile angabi selfish kodwa kube nabantu ababenefitayo then wayezobusebenzile. Shuthi ungaba gifted ezintweni eziningi but the question is abantu ba benefita na because uba iwina uma ngabe kuukuthi abantu ba benefita ngegift oyisebenzile. Awubi iwina ngebank account yakho ngeimoto usichomele lapha kuma social media ukuthi sengithenge ini. Awubi iwina uma ngabe kuukuthi kusase self centered yonke into oyenzayo but you become a winner that day kuba nabantu who are benefiting, who are getting something out of wena, then now you are really a winner. Shothi mangabe ukuthi mangabe umuntu elokho search ukuthi I am a winner konje I am a winner na as search ukuthi yena unayiphi talent and stuff yonke lonto leyo shothi phinda ubheke ukuthi ingaba abantu bazo benefita yini kuloko. Uthe nje mawulanda indaba kaJesu Kristu ngathi mina uze futhi ulande indaba eright ngoba naye ebe gifted kwezinto into eziningi but wa focus ekuthenini the reason ngila akukhona nje ukuthi ngizoduma but ukuthi ngizoseva. Is your gift or your talent, is it serving other people? If it's serving other people, then you are a winner.
So
yeah,
konke lokho kufola under ukuba kusho ukuthi i-recipe of being a winner ukuthi kumele ukuthi ufocus i-discipline.
yes
wenze whatever oyenzayo ikwazi ukubenefita abanye abantu more than it can benefit you.
Yes,
it's not all about you, it's about even abanye abantu as well.
Yes.
Okay, no hayi ngiyayithola ene mina ngicabanga futhi ukuthi to add on top of lento sesikhulumile ngokuba iwina ne. I think ukuthi yazi abantu bathanda ukusebenza ngama formula isikhathi esiningi, bathanda ukusebenza ngasenzeni recipe ukuthi usho okay if at least ninganginikeza iformula lento ukuthi yenziwa kanjani at least ngingayizama. If you want to be a winner, mina ngakunikeza this formula. If you want to be a winner, uyi-winner vele.
Yeah.
But if you want to continue ukuthi ube i-winner, this is the formula.
Yeah.
Be a person or be a man of quality. Uyabona that gama leli quality. Uma ngabe ungahlala phansi ul-analyze, uzobona ukuthi lelo gama lelo li fully packed. It's not just one word. Belusebenzele.
Oh yeah.
That gama linezinto eziningi ngaphansi kwalo. You don't become a person of quality. Njena nje ukuthi no today sengicabanga kuba a man of quality. Kunama values okumele ube nawo. Kunama principles okumele wafollowe to be a man of quality. Then uma ngabe uyi man of quality or a person of quality uzoyithola uyiwina in almost in everything that you do because you know very well ukuthi mina I'm a person of quality. Angisenzi izinto noma kanjani. Mangenza izinto ngiyazinikela entweni uma ngiyenza. Hey bonke njengale be a person of quality. Angizwe ukuthi uyazinikela we are all out mawenza into. You want the best. Uma ngabe deliver your service or deliver ebantwini you give them the best of yourself. Uma ngabe kune product oyidayisayo you wanikeza the best product ever. You want to deliver quality of my service, quality of my time. Then hlala phansi i-assignment engineza yona ukuthi hlala phansi understand igama equality. Then if ungal understand usebenze behind that word, believe me uzowina in most of the things ozenzayo.
Oh yeah.
Enye into engicabanga ukuthi is very important, we must be able to see ama winners around us. Mesikwazi kwabona.
Oh yeah.
Must be able to spot winners with the, this is a winner.
Okay.
Because if point number one, I know about everybody umuntu kuthiwa uyi-winner would expect large sums of zemali eningi. No, ayikho njalo uyaqolisa. It has got nothing to do with money.
Yes.
I don't say you can't have money, but akusiyo into ejajayo ukuthi umuntu uyi-winner umbone ngemali, expensive cars, fancy stuff. No. Akusiyo no. Because if so bheka will have ama winners are wrong. Sizoba nama role models are wrong. We will take drug lords sithi bangama winners.
Ayi wayishaya.
You see? So we need to be very careful ukuthi sazi ukuthi iwinner umuntu onjani. Iwinner for an example, umuntu owenza whatever they do with honesty, dedication, ayenza futhi ayenza highest level of performance yakhe, whatever it is that ayenzayo. Dedicated ngeyona ndlela 100%. Iwina ulwamkhulu osesiphaza yazi uyazi ukuthi ngo6 o'clock sekavulile. Isinkwa ngizosithola lapha.
Yes.
Ngo7 usavulile. Akathi uvula akathi ngo7 uvala ngo7 then when you go there some other day go 6:30 akasekho.
Aish. Yeah.
Uyazi why uvulisa isiphaza lesa? Iwina ulwa auntie othi makavula isiphaza asivulele to serve the community, not to enrich themselves. Vulela community. Kusho ukuthi into at the top of the list is to serve this community. If you open anything, a business, with objective, yokuthi I'm serving, I'm helping, I'm solving this problem within my community, you go places. Imali izozizela. Don't even think about money.
Yes.
If you have that in order, everything will follow. So, a winner is not judged by money because there's a guy right there, maybe somewhere on the corner, or taking some drugs, or taking sinyaupe. Can we really call that guy? Unamatriple story taking his zabantu lokushini, taking his into indawo. Unemoto ezinhle. Can we honestly really call that guy a winner?
Yeah.
Ningasitshela kuma comments manibukele this episode ukuthi nicabanga ukuthi winner that guy or not.
And futhi bangabu qhubeka.
Siyabonga.
And futhi bangabu uyibukele wazafika la ungakhohla ukuthi uphinde usubscribe. Yeah. Ngiyayithanda ngendlela enichaza ngakhona indaba yewinner. Bangabe nje obusho nje uthi kumele sikwazi ukuthi futhi sibabone.
So identify.
It means a winner is someone who's not jealous. Yes. Uhappy lo muntu ukubona omunye umuntu ephumelela.
Yes.
Akathi wayephumelela mina ngingaphumeleli. But uba happy ukuthi wow, nangomunye lapha yaphumelela, ushaya izandla. Hayi ngobe pretend.
Winner umuntu othi whatever enza into ayenzayo, leyo into yakhe yenze kube easy for abanye abantu ukuthi baphile.
Ayi. Ngikhumbuza istory sika Michelangelo. Bathu Michelangelo that guy wakwatholakala epainter isithombe. Shuthi endaweni ekude efihlekile futhi ethayibe dakinyana so.
Yeah.
Nakhona sebengene lo owayemfuna libele mmemeza. Kutholekile. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi ukhona yena. Wazomthola ngale day. Wayidraw enye painting lapha ya.
Yeah.
Utlona imani le painting wayibeke kudeni kangaka uyidraw ekudeni kangaka. Wasitara izinto izifihleke ngalolu hlobo. Because abantu ngeke baze bayibone yabo.
Izo inspire bani?
Yes. Wathi Michelangelo mangabe mphendula. Wathi it's not about ukuthi abantu babone. As long as uNkulunkulu ebona. That's what matters. Ngifuna ukuthi ngithi njoba sithi nje uyiwina. Yabona ungathi mawusebenza mhlawumbe uya cleaner lapha yana. Ungathi ngizosebenza ngoba induni ngibona. Even ungabonwa umuntu uthi as long as omdala wensuku engibona. Yazi ipainting ka Michelangelo yona le yayenza le kusithekeni le thiwa yona yaba very expensive mayisithengiswa. Cabanga yathengwa ngeprice. Kodwa wayenza ayekhona amanye la abona abantu nje bawabone but khona waspotaliya futhi wathi ngifuna ngeprice. Very expensive. Noma sesayisivali. Yeah, asivalini. Yeah, last week.
Yeah. Asivalini. Mina nase ngiyivala bafethu ngizoyivala ngamazwi ka Oprah Winfrey lapha mayikhuluma uyibeka kamnandi. Uthi doing your best at this moment puts you in a better position for the next moment. Ngiyayivala.
Uma senza whatever that we do, that we think we are best, that we think singama winners ngazo, uma so idiscoverile i calling yakho, mistake ozoyenza kuzicrasha wena. Sometimes we become enemies of ourselves. By competing, don't compete. Always try to be the best of you. Always try to be the better you, not anybody. Don't compete. Compete with you. Siyabonga.
Dako. Simotivate abancane, simotivate nabadala. Abantu asebethi mina isekho into esengayenza mina sengimdala sizothi hayi it's not over not yet. Ya wena ubona ukota 2 but akabi ukota 2. Isikhathi sasekhona as long as nje usaphila. Simotivate abantu already abenza something ukuthi yabona nje obusuyiqalile ulibe luyenza. Don't give up. Uzothi give up kanti bese kusele kancane. Simotivate ukuthi umuntu makasukume lapha khona. Do something because you are really a winner. Ngithi mina don't die with your dreams. Never ever die with your dreams. Die empty. Make sure nje uthi mangabe umuntu you die empty. Die with memories. Ngalawo mazwi lawo nje sesayivala sikota to meter ngibonge bafethu ukuthi nje nibekhona.
And anything about dangerous. Please guys, let's not be those guys. There's that guy who's always starting something. Whenever you meet them, I'm starting, I'm starting this small sponsor, I'm trying to push, man. You meet them 5 years later, no, I'm trying to sell some chickens, open the farm. You meet them 5 years later again. I'm always guys. It tells you of a guy who's always starting and it's cut to say if you start something it's a show ukuthi uba consistent kwe we are pushing ngayo and uzebona ama results. Do not start start ngiyazi there's a lot of people like that out there.
Because you are a winner. Engakusho nje mina ukuthi thina siyi team sisazokhuluma team kota to media hlala wazi ukuthi siyakuthanda and please tshela nabanye ukuthi kota to media ikhona ngempela ku TV. Danke.